Huwag natin sayangin ang buhay natin sa away, sa mga tampuhan, galit. Heavy yan. Mafa-flat tire ka yan. Magpagaan lang tayo. Dispose unnecessary baggage. Siguro pag binaba mo na yan, mas madali na po to reach out to one another. Let us seek not so much greatness in this life, but kindness. You're always talking about greatness. Maybe you should talk more about kindness. Seek not so much fame. Maybe it's better to seek a good name. And you're always seeking of provisions.